Namaste. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Dr. R.K. Medworld. June 21st is celebrated as International Day of Yoga throughout the world. Yoga is an ancient Indian science. It had its origin in northern India thousands of years ago. It has been passed on through generations and has been accepted as a practice not only for achieving bodily strength but also to have calmness of mind. World Health Organization in its 1978 Alma Ata conference had a world famous declaration regarding the definition of health. Health is not only the absence of disease or infirmity, but also the complete physical, mental, and social well-being of a person. In order to achieve this goal, taking medicines or having a surgical route to the illness will not be the ultimate goal. The problem of disease has to be noticed in the perspective of the influence of mind over the disease also in many conditions. This is amply demonstrated by the COVID pandemic, wherein numerous occasions have arisen where the mental strength and tolerance of the individual have been put to test. The COVID pandemic, which is ravaging the entire world for the past 1.5 years, has taught us that taking medicines or surgery cannot totally alleviate the sufferings of mankind. The mental capacity of the person and also the purity of mind, the oneness of thought and action, and also the complete integration of the body and mind, which are advocated in yoga, play an important part in giving the perspective of total health to the person. It is indeed an achievement for Indians that our ancient practice of yoga has been accepted by the United Nations. In the year 2014, in the General Assembly, it was agreed upon to impart knowledge of yoga and these practices and improve the knowledge among these to other countries also, so that the beneficial effects of this practice is adopted by more and more people. After that, many countries have started programs to impart education to children, so that at an young age itself the practice of exercise and also meditation will give them better power of concentration and also total good health in future. The COVID situation, which in most people after recovery from pneumonia also introduces lung fibrosis and also decreased lung capacity and sometimes chronic cough in post-COVID and long COVID situations. The yogic exercises of pranayama will play a part in improving the lung capacity in most patients suffering from COVID and its related pulmonary complications. Stress at workplace is also an important issue in the COVID pandemic times. Many companies have also started work from home, which imparts more number of working hours for the workmen and thereby increase stress levels and lack of exercise. Keeping some time apart, usually early in the morning, for exercise will go a long way in improving the general health of the workforce. Also, many occupational diseases, mostly seen in people using the computers more, like carpal tunnel syndrome and also low back pain, have been fully addressed too, not by continuous use of medication, but by adopting certain exercises which, if done regularly, help the person to control the muscular pain involved in these situations. Also, yoga should not be considered only as a form of exercise or asanas, because there is also an important part of meditation involved in it, which calms the mind and also imparts a special energy for the day's work, and in the long run it will improve the work efficiency of the person. It is also important to note that all exercises should not be undertaken by all people, because people with very high BP should not adopt certain exercise postures, and also people with conditions of slipped intervertebral disc and similar orthopedic conditions should also avoid certain strenuous exercises. But simple exercises and meditation, which are even given for school children nowadays as part of yoga program, will be useful in grooming the person and also to impart a better lifestyle in future. During the times of COVID pandemic, it is not possible to have large congregations performing yoga or other exercises. But in line with the motto of the International Day of Yoga 2021, that is yoga at home, yoga with family, people can understand the importance of the exercise, regular exercise, and also integration of the mind and body so as to achieve the goal of better health in future. I hope you have understood the importance of yoga in giving a holistic approach to good health, and hence I request you to like this video and also subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you.